Alright. Hey guys, 1930s original fan collector, etc. Back with another video, and today we're looking at here's these two Bell+Howell Socket ceiling fans installed in my foyer now. And if you hear me coughing in this video, please note that I'm kind of sick, so I'm still trying to get over something. So yeah, let's get started. Shut with the light. Tell they both work really well. I'm gonna turn them back on because we need them. Low speed on them both. Keep in mind these fans do their job in the foyer. This fan uses 3 speeds. Due to them being very small, they have a very fast low, medium, and high speed as well. And they also got a DC motor, so they do perform really well in here. On low, they do move a pretty good breeze, and this one's kind of wobbling slightly. I don't know if you can tell, but this one does have a slight wobble. But that's okay. Alright, medium. And medium. And medium is still pretty fast. They work really well in here, both of them. You can tell both of them do provide me a very good breeze, so yeah. Let's go high. As both of them is, because I have individual videos of both of these fans shown on all speeds, which will probably be also in the description below. But I'm showing these two together because I know some people like to see 2 fans on one install shown together at once. So here you go. As you can tell, both of them provide me a very good breeze. And there's the other one. Both got a very fast high speed. Very impressive. But I would not spend $50 on one of these brand new, because they're a lot for a socket fan. So I'm going to shut them off and see which one stops the quickest and the longest. The one near the door nearest to me stopped first. The one upstairs, the more farther away, stopped the last. So yeah, due to these fans being DC motor, they don't have a very long spin down time. So yeah, let's start them up on high again. As you can tell, both of them just take right off. And I'm going to kill the power so we can watch them spin down once more. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.